age of smartphones is collapsing, and 2025's AI glasses are here to take over. These futuristic wearables aren't just gadgets. They're full replacements for the devices you thought you couldn't live without. Tell us in the comments, which AI glasses would you ditch your phone for? Sightful Spacetop G1. The Sightful Spacetop G1 is tearing up the rulebook of what we call a laptop. Forget bulky screens. This beast gives you a floating 100-inch virtual workspace through its AR glasses, turning thin air into your personal office. Just pair it with the sleek keyboard base and watch your apps, documents, and browser windows hover all around you. Powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon and Spacetop OS, it's built for those who refuse to be tied down. With AI-driven gesture controls, spatial multitasking, and real-time adaptability, it doesn't just replace laptops. It makes them look ancient. The future of computing isn't on your desk. It's in your glasses. Xreal One. The Xreal One isn't just another pair of AR glasses. It's a full-blown digital revolution strapped to your face. In 2025, this game changer is redefining what it means to interact with tech. Forget flat screens. The Xreal One unleashes mind-bending 3D interfaces, real-world object tracking, and gesture controls that make touchscreens feel outdated. Its custom optical engine blasts stunningly bright visuals, yet the glasses stay feather-light for all-day wear. The onboard AI doesn't just display information, it understands your environment, adapting overlays in real time for work, gaming, or even navigation. Multi-app multitasking keeps everything floating in your vision at once. The Xreal One isn't replacing screens, it's replacing reality itself. Rokid Max 2. The Rokid Max 2 is shattering limits by cramming a giant 215-inch virtual screen into a device that weighs just 75 grams. Yeah, something lighter than your phone can unleash a cinema-sized AR experience right in front of your eyes. With dual 1080p micro-OLED panels, a blazing 120 Hz refresh rate, and 600 nits brightness, every frame looks razor-sharp and unbelievably smooth. But it's not just about visuals. Its AI-driven interface brings voice control, head tracking, and instant app switching that feels like science fiction. Plug it into your phone, console, or PC, and suddenly the world is your workspace or theater. The Rokid Max 2 isn't portable tech, it's portable reality. Meta Ray-Ban Smart Glasses. Meta's Ray-Ban Smart Glasses, 2025 edition, are rewriting the rules of wearable tech, fusing fashion with raw AI power. At first glance, they look like classic Ray-Bans, but hidden inside is Meta AI, ready to answer questions, guide your steps, or even identify the world around you without ever pulling out a phone. Built-in cameras let you snap photos, record videos, or live stream straight to Instagram and Facebook with a single command. Open-ear audio keeps you connected without cutting off the real world, while real-time translation and scene recognition feel straight out of science fiction. These aren't just smart glasses. They're your always-on AI assistant, stylishly hiding in plain sight. InMo Air 2. The InMo Air 2 is breaking boundaries as one of the first true standalone AR smart glasses. No phone, no cables, no limits. Sleek and lightweight, it hides a full Android-powered system with its own processor, battery, and storage, making it a complete device on your face. Imagine making calls, browsing the web, navigating with GPS, or checking the weather, all floating directly in your vision. Its AI-driven interface responds instantly to voice, touch, and gesture controls, turning daily tasks into futuristic interactions. Whether you're commuting, working out, or multitasking on the go, the InMo Air 2 isn't just eyewear. It's freedom, independence, and the future of smart living. RayNeo Air 2. The RayNeo Air 2 is turning heads in 2025 by squeezing a jaw-dropping 201-inch virtual screen into glasses that weigh just 76 grams. Powered by Sony Micro OLED displays, it delivers theater-level visuals from 6 meters away, whether you're gaming, streaming, or working. Dual display calibration ensures razor-sharp color accuracy and contrast for both eyes, while built-in AI fine-tunes video, brightness, and even audio through sleek open-ear speakers. Plug them into your phone, laptop, or console via USB-C and instantly transform any space into your personal cinema or productivity zone. The RayNeo Air 2 isn't just eyewear, it's a lightweight powerhouse that makes reality look outdated. Lenovo ThinkReality A3. The Lenovo ThinkReality A3 is blowing past its enterprise-only origins and crashing straight into everyday life in 2025. These AR smart glasses pack dual 1080p displays that can project up to 5 massive virtual monitors right in your field of view. Imagine coding, editing videos, tracking stocks, and browsing all at once. No physical screens required. But the real magic is its AI-powered context awareness. It scans your environment, reorganizes your digital workspace, and even suggests tools based on what you're doing. Whether linked to a PC or a Motorola smartphone, the A3 adapts instantly. Lightweight, secure, and shockingly immersive, it turns any space into a command center for the digital age. XREAL Air 2. Ultra, the XREAL Air 2. Ultra isn't just pushing boundaries, it's obliterating them, redefining what smart glasses can do in the real world. Built for creators, developers, and futurists, it packs dual 3D cameras, advanced spatial computing, and an adaptive AR interface that reshapes itself to your environment. With inside-out tracking, you control everything using only your hands and head. No phone, no controller, just pure immersion. Its AI doesn't just overlay visuals. It understands objects, maps entire spaces, and runs multiple apps in seamless mixed reality. From sculpting 3D models to walking through holograms, the Air 2 Ultra is an eyewear. It's a gateway to the screenless future. VITURE Pro XR glasses. The VITURE Pro XR glasses are blowing up the idea of portable gaming by packing console-level power into a sleek, lightweight frame. Imagine carrying a 135-inch virtual screen in your pocket. That's exactly what its full HD micro OLED displays deliver, turning any space into your personal battleground or cinema. But here's the kicker. It's electrochromic film auto-adjust tint, giving you perfect clarity whether you're in blazing sunlight or a dark room. Backed by AI-driven resolution, scaling, and audio optimization, the experience feels unbelievably smooth and cinematic. From Steam Deck to Switch to cloud gaming, the VITURE Pro XR isn't just eyewear, it's your ultimate entertainment weapon. Anywhere, anytime. TCL NXT Wear S Plus. The TCL NXT Wear S Plus is rewriting what it means to watch on the go by blasting a jaw-dropping 215-inch virtual screen right in front of your eyes. Powered by micro OLED full HD displays, it transforms movies, gaming, and even emails into a private cinematic experience no bulky monitor could match. Featherlight and insanely portable, it plugs straight into your phone, laptop, or console, instantly replacing traditional screens. The 2025 upgrade supercharges performance with AI-driven content optimization and adaptive brightness, making visuals crystal clear in any environment. It may skip advanced voice controls, but the NX2 S Plus proves one thing: the future of entertainment isn't in your hands, it's on your face. We're stepping into a future where glasses aren't just accessories. They're powerful computers, private theaters, and AI assistants all rolled into one. From massive virtual screens to real-time translation and spatial computing, 2025's smart glasses are proving that the end of traditional screens is closer than we think. Whether it's for gaming, work, or everyday life, these wearables are blurring the line between reality and digital worlds in ways once thought impossible. One thing's for sure, the next wave of technology won't just sit on your desk. It'll sit on your face, transforming how you live every single day.